Yo, peace and healing to the Third Eye Gang. Hey, yo, check this out, y'all. I wanted to definitely start sharing more information with y'all about herbs and about how powerful they are, especially in these times where people are ill and people are looking for alternative ways to take care of themselves. Me personally, I think it's very important that we become our own self healthcare systems. I know me and like many others have experienced the unfortunate shortcomings of the medical staffs and nurses and not being able to get treated properly because they're understaffed, because some of them are getting sick. Just many different dilemmas that we're coming across in these times, which is very unfortunate. And that's not to discredit anybody in the medical field. We love y'all, and we know y'all are doing the best that y'all can. So I have stopped doing my elderberry gallon sale, but I will be doing a half a gallon elderberry sale. I will be rolling it out very soon, and that's pretty much unheard of as well. But I wanted to go over some herbs that will be inside of the infusion so y'all can be more familiar of the herbal actions and properties and what they do and how they can benefit your body. Okay, so let's get into it. Nettle leaf. Now, nettle leaf will be in my half gallon rollout of elderberry syrup. Now, nettle leaf is a powerful herb, y'all. Nettle leaf actually is an analgesic. An analgesic is a pain reliever. A pain reliever that is packed. It's reason why it's a pain reliever because it's packed full of magnesium. Magnesium is a very powerful mineral, and we'll get more into that in my master class that I'm working on about how I got over depression with herbal therapy. We'll talk about magnesium a lot more and get into it a lot more in that. Another thing about nettle leaf is packed full of minerals. It's packed full of magnesium, potassium, a lot of other minerals that it's packed with. It's actually a natural diuretic as well. Helps with detoxifying the body. And also, nettle leaf is a very, very good way to lower your blood sugar. It helps lower your blood sugar. It also helps with building your immune system. Okay, nettle leaf is a very powerful herb. Every herbalist or somebody who is trying to get into holistic medicine and natural healing should always have nettle leaf in their apothecary, in my opinion. So that's one of the herbs that also will be very essential to helping you have a healthy detox, and also it will help you in your renal system and your kidneys and clearing out your kidneys and getting those pathogens out of your body and detoxifying your body and building your immune system. It's just such a powerful herb, y'all. I just wanted to give y'all a couple of good facts about it so you can be more familiar. I will be going over some more herbs and some infusions that I will be doing in the future, or any herbs that y'all want to be more familiar with. All y'all got to do is just hit me up at mysupremewellbeing.com. Email me. I'll get back with you. I'm getting more into sharing my herbal pharmacy. I know I will be doing these elderberry gallons locally, but as time goes on, I will be doing some shipping with the half a gallons. So I'm about to do a half a gallon rollout. So when I do my half a gallon rollout with elderberry syrup infused with nettle leaf, ginger, and also I'm thinking about hibiscus. If somebody wants to inquire about what hibiscus does and how it benefits the body, please hit me up. I'll probably do a breakdown about that because I really been thinking about adding that within the infusion in my elderberry syrup. That would kind of, I feel, make it a tea. You know, you can also use this elderberry infusion like a tea. You know, since we got some cold days coming up, this month and probably the next month. Looks like we got some snow down here in the southeastern region. So I just want us to be prepared. You know what I'm saying? I just want us to be prepared. I just want us to think about becoming more of our own healthcare systems. You know what I'm saying? Taking more control of our health. Unfortunately, people have been experiencing, me and many other people have been experiencing not being able to get the proper care that we needed during these times, whether it was, not being able to get tested for COVID, their hospitals being understaffed. It's very important that we focus in on the things that we need to do for ourselves and our family to keep us safe, okay? And that's on the whole full spectrum of things, but especially with our health and what's going on in the world right now, okay? So let's make sure that we just, paying attention to what's going on, paying attention to our bodies, staying away from the junk food and processed and GMO, and peace and wellness to the third eye game, family.